Hellcat.
Hi there YouTubers, I'm going to teach you today what not to do when you're buying a dirt bike. I've just purchased this bike for £800 off a guy in the dark. Not a good idea. The bike ran great and sounded great, but that's not everything when you're buying one of these bikes. For a start, it should have a VIN number on the steering neck. I got the bike inside in the light and started to look for this VIN number, and lo and behold, it's been powder coated over. So we've learnt two things here: never to buy a dirt bike in the dark, and always ask if the bike has a VIN number on it. This is part 1 on the YZ450. Is it stolen, or has the guy just powder coated over the VIN number? I'll let you know in part 2. Like and subscribe these videos. God bless. Safe riding.
Hellcat.